Hi, it's Liberty. It's February 22nd, 2023.
Hi, I'm Liberty. Welcome to Before and Afters at Century Farms.
We have been here 14 months and lived here for almost a year. So, again, it's raining, but I wanted to show you what I was able to do outside yesterday. It was pretty nice, and it's supposed to be really nice tomorrow too, so I hope to get out here again. So, let me switch it around. We got these scalloped brick edging, a whole bunch of them for $5. And so yesterday I raked all the leaves out of this flower bed and added this scalloped edging. And I also raked out on this side of the wall, and I pulled out a whole lot of ground cover vines that had just gotten out of control from whoever planted them. So I felt like I got a lot accomplished with that. And I also started spreading out some of these piles of dirt to even them out. Did some there, did some on the back where that gutter is, just a little bit. And started working here a little bit. The kids are gonna help me pick up some rocks more. I'll take you around. The kitties are gonna follow me. I had a peony in that bucket that survived. I was surprised, and so I stuck it in the ground right there. The door for this is going to get painted soon, so it's in the garage. And this corner right here, we got a bunch of rocks out and started spreading it around. I can't wait to plant some things in these places and start making it look really pretty. I've also worked on some signs, this one and another one for my piano studio. I'm going to walk out to the edge and give you a view back towards the house from the edge. But first, here's all those vines and weeds and things I dug out from those flower beds. So when I go on my walk around the edge of the property, this is what I see. This side of the house. And this side. It looks a little farther than it is because of how I had to zoom out with the camera. This is not zoomed out. So I like to take the dog for a walk. And here it is from the other corner, out by this line of trees. Speaking of this line of trees, the kids have made their own houses in here. And so that's pretty fun for them. And my son has been having fun digging a big old hole just for fun. So I'm glad he can have a place to do that kind of thing out here. When we have guests for the first time, we like to let them in the front door for a good first impression. So this is what they see first. The piano room, the living room, in the dining room. So those are 2 more kitchen cabinets that I'm planning to put up in the kitchen. I took a vote and I do believe I'm going to replace this hutch with a bigger one. So stay tuned for that. We had just finished the ceiling last time, and we've been enjoying that for 1 whole month. My husband said this is his favorite ceiling. This was actually the one I wanted to do first, and it just ended up being last. And now in the kitchen, we have finished this ceiling. Finally. We hardly know what to do with ourselves. Decorated for Valentine's Day a little bit. I have to tell you, everybody loves this clock above my pantry door, but I do not like it. It doesn't work. I did not put it there. A transom window should be there instead. And my idea for this is to put a mini split outside, just right out there, and have this be a heater vent. I would enjoy that a whole lot more than a clock. And started decorating for Easter and spring a little bit, and we got the corner round molding up there, so I was able to get my decorations up. I don't know if I showed you this. I made this a while back. With my Cricut. So now that the kitchen ceiling is in, and we have 4 ceilings in downstairs, we're going to be taking it a little easier, resting and relaxing, comparatively speaking, for a month or so. Basically, it's giving us time to clean up a little bit, organize a little bit, do some little odds and ends. And then the mudroom and the exercise room. I don't know when we'll be ready to tackle this. In the basement, my husband did get these shelves put up. This is from a wooden crate, and he added the shelves in the middle and put a piece of the crate as a shelf along the top to bridge the 2 pieces. These are 2 crates, 2 small crates. So we just need to organize that. Okay, we are upstairs now, looking out to where the mailbox is. And we are in my daughter's room, which she cleaned up really nicely for us today. There's her mirror closet doors. She even made her bed. I did want to tell you that a friend came over and helped us hem all of the curtains in this room. So we really appreciated that. So Thank you for cleaning up such a nice job. One of the next things I really hope to tackle soon is my craft room a little better. In the bathroom, I got the hall bench painted and all put back together. The kids helped me. I will link to that in the description below. I'm also going to link to 1 year ago video where we were. We had been here for 2 months. So I hope you enjoy seeing the progress we have made since then. It really is amazing what a year can do. So really enjoying using this hall bench. I have a short video and a long video of the details of this, painting it and where I got it, all of that. In our room, my husband got a few things up on the wall. Every little thing helps. So the hall bench was in here being worked on. So this is cleared out a little better. And I was able to clean out the laundry room a little bit. I actually cleaned off the tops of the washer and dryer for the first time since they were moved in here. So the attic is right here, and we've been having birds get in there again. And I got a live trap, and I did rescue 2 of them. I caught it. I caught the bird in the attic. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to try to get you out. It's okay. I'm going to put you in a box and take you outside. Okay? It's okay. Aww. It's okay. But a couple more have died, so we're hoping to get the holes patched up however they're getting in. If anybody has any tips for me about that, I would appreciate it. They can get in such a small hole. My son cleaned up his room too. And it's amazing how a clean room will make you want to build a fort, a blanket fort on the other side. So we're finally at a stage in this renovation that I told the kids I thought we could have clean rooms for the video. So hopefully that will be a regular thing now. So I've just been enjoying normal life a little bit more lately without doing such big projects all the time. Doing smaller projects are a lot more enjoyable. So I hope you've enjoyed this monthly update. See you next month.